Shutting down. Hi guys. Yeah. So this video will be removing this Wraith prism cooler and replaced by this thermal Wraith Frost Spirit 140. So this is not a sponsored video, but I guess this cooler performs much better than the stock cooler, so that's why I'm changing it. And my room is not air conditioned, and I'm using my PC whole day for my work. That's why I intended to invest in a much bigger CPU cooler, and also rendering videos would greatly help because it's very CPU intensive, and I guess this will greatly help for my rendering. So guys, help me remove this cooler, the Wraith prism cooler. Okay, to remove the latch, the locking mechanism, for that okay, so let's explore where was that mechanism. Need to press. Now it's removed. Okay, so on the other side. Yeah, just wait a minute. Yeah, it would be much greater if I will remove the video card to have some space. And also installing later will have another space. Okay. So guys, please remember, when handling your electronic components, ground yourself. Don't just touch that with bare hands. So now it's totally removed. So this is the thermal paste. Okay, so I already removed the fan, and next to remove is the USB connectivity for the Wraith prism. This controls the color of your fan. So wait for it. I'll just need to find which USB was I'm using, or could remove this. Okay, so this is a Wraith prism by AMD. Still a great cooler, but for my needs, it needs a improvement. I've been picking temperatures of around 76 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'll keep it posted. Okay guys, so after removing the fan, you need to clean it up with a clean tissue paper to remove the excess paste. The paste helps the heat transfer from your CPU to your heatsink to the plate. That's why it's also good to have a good quality paste. Okay. So after removing, you need to brush it. To clean it perfectly, you need a toothbrush, an old toothbrush, to remove all the excess. Yeah, I guess this paste is not okay, so perfectly clean. This is the Ryzen 3700X bought on Shopee last 2 months ago. So now I'm modifying it for the as advised by Thermaltake, you need to take this plastic bracket and replace with their provided bracket. So that's how intense. By the way, I need to remove this RGB cable. So I'll just cut you guys out to burn it. Okay, then I'll step by step. That's how you clean your Wraith Prism cooler from your AMD motherboard.